Whew. If you know, you know. What's going on, guys? Today we got Coco Ichibanya's pork katsu curry level 10 spice. I am genuinely concerned for my health. I've never done this before, but I figure when in Japan, let's just go for it, you know? Just take this out of here. Oh boy. Level 10 spice curry. Wow. I usually go for about a 5 or 6, kind of like my tolerance for COCO'S. I've never tried anything higher than that. But you know, what's 4 more levels up, you know? This will be fine. This will be fine. Like I said, I got the pork katsu curry, so let's just check out the pork katsu real quick. Hopefully that focuses. Alrighty. Before I completely destroy my taste buds with this level 10 curry, let's take a bite out of this. Camera eats first, so second bite. Delicious. Okay. Here it goes. Oh God. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. Oh, you know, first let me just show you what I'm working with here. Let me just show you what this looks like. So I got the pork katsu right there, the infamous level 10 spice curry, and some pickled ginger because why not? Alrighty. Game time. Oh, okay. Whoop, it's in. Oh God. Woo. Is it? Oh, is it spicy? Did I get level 10? Where's my receipt? Did I get level 10? Yeah, I got level 10. That actually isn't that bad. It's actually rather tasty. But you know, we'll see how this comes out, if you know what I'm saying. And we'll just see, you know, how much further I get here. Maybe the more bites I take, the spicier it gets. I don't know. Pork katsu in the curry. That hit it for sure. Woo. Oh, I love curry so much. Oh yeah, it's hitting. It's hitting. It's hitting. Oh God. Maybe just the faster I eat it, the less I feel. This is okay. Pork katsu though, I really enjoy. Just fried meat in general. That's an amazing thing. I'm glad. Oh Lord, it's getting hot in here, let me tell you. Oh. I might be crying. I'm not sure yet. Oh God. I should have got like a glass of milk or something. I don't know. You know, maybe I didn't mix it. Maybe I'm just getting the curry right now. I'm not really the spice. Just mix this curry real quick. Oh God. I only got 2 more pieces of pork katsu left. So let's try and save that so I can balance out this rice. You know, I don't typically pride myself in taking in a lot of spicy foods, but I can. Like, I love spicy food. Well, there's a certain line, you know, of like enjoyable and hurtful. At first, this was enjoyable. And I think the more I was eating it, the spicier it was getting. Or maybe it's like that slow creep spice. I don't know. Oh god. Oh yeah. Mixing it definitely did something there. This is fine. Had to try it. Like if I want to enjoy COCO'S, a little bit of spice, I'll give me like a 5, maybe a 6. If I just really want to taste the curry, maybe like a 3 or a 4. But who does 10 on a regular, man? Like, it was fine in the beginning. Now it's like really creeping. Oh god, ow. It's okay. Yo, I didn't even show y'all the curry? The spoon? Okay, let's see if I can get a good focus and not spill any. More than likely gonna spill, but that's fine. Alright. Alright, look at that. Look at that. Mmm. Oh, jeez. Oh, man. This hurts my face. It's gonna hurt something else, too, later on, in about 2 hours. Oh, God. That's not gonna be fun. Oh. Alright. Oh, God. Last bit of rice. This is it. Let's get the rest of that. Whew. You know, level 10 wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be, but it's definitely not something you do on a normal basis. This is like a once every quarter, and you get dared to, and you feel like it. I don't know. It's not a normal meal, man. Yeah, not a normal meal. Alright, last bite. Cheers. Oh.